Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming your account and opening Chrome. This matters because Safe Search can be tied to your Google profile. Once Chrome is open, click the three-dot menu at top right and choose Settings. Make sure you're signed into the Google account you intend to change, otherwise the preference may not persist. Next, type Search Settings into the Settings search bar to jump directly to Google search controls. This saves time and takes you straight to the relevant options. Now you'll locate the Safe Search controls and switch them off. In Search Settings, find the Safe Search Filters section, then toggle off Turn on Safe Search so the filter is disabled. You should see the switch move and the setting read as off. If results still look filtered, make sure you're signed into the right account, because supervised or child accounts and family link settings can enforce Safe Search. Once the toggle is off, click Save at the bottom so your change is applied. Finish by confirming the change and troubleshooting common blocks. After saving, reload Google.com and run a few searches to verify unfiltered results. Sometimes cached pages still show old behavior, so clear cache if needed. If the Safe Search toggle is locked, check Family Link, Supervised Account Settings, or Router/ISP filters that force Safe Search. If issues persist, open an incognito window to rule out extensions or profile caching, and sign out and back into your Google account to refresh permissions and settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.